It's over.
What kind of a fucking upstanding policeman brings a rocket launcher into combat, Ying?
A
They
Russian
kind to
one?
shoot you. Tabacco, we're just waiting for you.
No.
Hurry up, nigga.
Time to shoot some.
Okay, black people assassin. Hey, come on, aren't we gonna take this police helicopter?
It's
Oh,
pretty
well,
fitting,
I
it's
am.
black too. Does it not have guns? Oh, it does!
It does.
Yo, let's do some fucking shooty shit, nigga.
I'll...
Get away from the helicopter, Heiko!
Ryan's not getting in. Ryan's getting run over. Oh no.
That's it.
Sorry, Ryan.
You guys not gonna get in, or...?
That's fun. We can be the air support, man.
Yeah.
They see right through us.
Are you guys gonna get in, or...? Fucking...
Ryan's patching himself up.
Ryan, come do it in the helicopter.
Dude, Ying, when I aim down the sights of the M240, like, there's like a reticle that pops up because it's not aligned properly.
Get in! For fuck's sake, hurry up, princess. Okay, you can drive.
Bye bye.
There's civilians down there, I can't get a clear shot. Fuck it. Protect and serve, motherfucker.
Who cares about civilians? We're the police. Shoot them all.
Oh fuck. How many just below us?
I'm reloading, nigga. This feels like some Battlefield Hardline shit.
Rally up!
What happened to Ryan?
He's on foot.
We don't know. Uh-oh!
Oh no!
Uh-oh!
Oh no!
Auto rotate, nigga, auto rotate.
I can't, nigga.
Are you unconscious? Oh god.
Uh-oh. Brace for a hard landing.
Oh.
Wait, that wasn't very hard.
Hey, we made it.
Okay. Thank you for flying, Matt Air. Sucks that Ying died instantly, but I mean that's.
I don't even have a scratch.
Yeah.
Wait, Matt, try shooting me in the legs.
Fine.
Whoa. Okay, now I know that I'm
We
not
should,
invisible.
You unconscious? Oh, for fuck's sake. Fix myself, I'm not coming off you.
I should wake up, I think.
I'm the police medic.
Haha, these guys can shoot at me for days.
Okay, good. Damn, these Serbs sure have got... enemy police. Hi, Cal.
What's up? What?
Pay attention when they...
I'm not gonna pay attention to your stupid ass.
Come on,
Hey, civvy.
Sorry for shelling your friends. This is not the best place to be using B9, particularly on. My gun jammed! Are you fucking kidding me?
Her style quality, bro.
Oh god, Ying, there's a cunt right there.
I know.
Oh!
It's a battlefield. Wait, we're Horizon's Islands fighting against Horizon Islands.
We're fighting against the Serbians, dammit.
They're very blank.
Oh, he was just sort of crawling around. I'm so fucking stupid.
The fucking informant is stuck on a. Is stuck to a.
Oh my god.
We did it.
We better repeat racism. Oh.
If only we could use the helicopter.
I mean, we can fix it up.
I don't have a repair kit. Let's just steal one of these. nigga.
Whoa, he flew away.
Oh, no, not this one, nigga. There's a CV hatchback over there we could probably use.
Ooh.
Are we being mortared? Okay, let's go. Get in.
Oh, there's a toolkit in here.
Get in.
I'm going to fix up the helicopter.
Yeah, okay, get in.
Where's Ryan? I
We
don't
talked
see him on
about
the
this, wasn't
markers.
Oh,
Oh,
well. Okay, bye.
wait. No, he's
Why
just
does he do
desync.
this? Okay. Can you fix the heli?
Oh, there's a heli coming in.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's our extraction.
No,
Shoot
no,
him.
we need to take this helicopter. Hang on. I've captured a suspect for interrogation. You're nicked, sunshine. Get us out of here.
You getting it?
Oh my god,
Is
look at all the
they-
fucking inventory. Okay, let's go. We've
An enemy! Rifleman! Half a click! Due west!
You didn't fix the gun.
700 meters southwest!
Get out of here, Ike.
Damn it.
Missed.
I ran out of missiles. This was a pretty good fucking DRO. Oh shit, I think we're gonna hit the trees.
Hell no. Hang on, land just before we get outside of the area.
400 meters! Bearing
Hold on, fucking ember.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. It's not lift high enough. These are too weak.
Oh no!
What are you doing? What's going on?
The engine is like too fucking weak. I can't lift up.
Oh, I got hit.
Where are we?
Rifleman! 300 meters!
Where are we?
Into the valley.
Ah!
That's pretty cool.
I'm fucking hurt.
Work.
Hey, what do you mean unacceptable civilian casualties?
Good.
Well, I did rocket all those civilians, but I mean, why were they
That was
congregating next to the
legal,
fucking serve?
alright? No, it's fine. We did our mission. We killed a couple of civilians.